What is up, everybody? It is me, Kevin.
And Kate.
And Kate, coming back at you guys. Well, it's a pretty late Friday night. So by the time this uploads, it'll be a Saturday morning. So coming at you guys with another Saturday morning upload. I'll go on ahead and show you the end results of this bike. Let me know what you think about the bike build. For sure, and always,
B100.
B100. As is when I bought it. See you guys in the next clip. Oh, show. Well, that bike took about 5 minutes to take apart. There really wasn't too much on this thing. I got the training wheels off. Main bolt that holds the back wheel. Two little rusted out screws that hold the chain guard up. See, there's a bent part. I'm going to go ahead and put back together. Old beat up. Bring, bring, bring. Doesn't work. Look at the little mechanisms in it. That's pretty cool. Also, I got the little seat out. It's cool. It's all stapled in there. So I'll get some fabric and I'll rig something up for it. Junk that cover. Put something brand new on it. Got the little wire wheels over here. They're pretty dope. Solid little wheels. Rusted out little fender. On the bottom, it's getting down to the bone. So I'm going to go ahead and take my wire wheel brush. Blast all that out of there. Probably coat this as well too. And I'll see what this chrome looks like too on the top before, if it gets too bad. And get most of that out, I'll just go ahead and paint that. As for the main assembly of this thing, it's kind of weird. This handlebar right here, this gooseneck or whatever here, goes down and it connects in somewhere into here, and this here rides all the way up, and that's it right there. So I've taken this off right here. But this thing is so rusted in the inside. I mean, look at all that rust in there. I had some rust fall out on my rug. You can see the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty bad in there. So you know what? I'm going to go on. I just went on ahead and kind of hit this back down. Use my awesome rubber mallet, my rubber hammer, and beat this back down. Tighten it back up. Leave it as is. And as for the little crank system in here, look how little that is. I'm going to pop these pedals off so those won't be there. As for the crank system, I went on ahead and got this little, it's like a little cover, little plastic cap, got that off. And it's got like a little cotter pin in there that holds the whole assembly together. Yeah, you see that? Focus! There we go. And it's in there, and I'm honestly not going to mess with it. So what I'll eventually do is I'll just go on ahead and just tape this all off and just leave it. And so that crank system is going to be in there, but I'll just tape it off so I don't paint it. Like I said, I'm going to blast this sucker red. And as for the rusted out little chain, man, this thing's seen some better days. It has a key lock. There it is right there. See the chain on here? I'm going to leave it on there for right now. There's a key to take it off. I'm going to go on ahead and use my wire wheel brush and blast this all off, most of the rust, before I take it apart and then put it back together. So chain's going to be off. So that's all it's going to be right there. Oh, show everybody. Just a quick update before I go on ahead. My next video, I'll go on ahead and show you with this all blasted off. I'll get all the red scraped off. No brakes. I can feel him breathing on my neck. Alright, everybody. Alright, my friends, another quick update. Still got to hit some of these rust spots right here. But what I'm doing right now is just kind of grinding off all those stickers right now and getting all that off. Cleaned up all the little rust on this. Grinded it off. Grinded all the rust off. Some of the corrosion that's going on here. I went on ahead and got me a little template cut out. I'm actually just going to go ahead and just use sheet metal. Since I have sheet metal, might as well. just gonna put just the one tank right here and leave this all the way. I don't want to. Oh yeah, by the way, I bent that back as best as I could without bending it, breaking it off. But like I was saying, I'm only gonna put just that one little tank on it because I don't want to take away from this awesome looking chain guard here. I don't want to cut it, so I was gonna do a skirt here, but I do not want to cut this. I actually love the way this looks, so I'm gonna keep it real simple. Just put the tank right there and go on ahead and paint the rest of the deal. Got my sheet metal all lined out. So the exact same way I'm gonna do this is the exact same way I've been doing those other videos on a leash. So, all right, by the time you guys see this, it should be either primered or the first base coat. Either way, I'll see you guys in a split second. Faux show. Peace out, everybody. Quick update, my peoples. There's the first sight on, but whenever this thing is so little, everybody, look at my hand compared to that thing. It's so little. There's Cade. This thing is so little that when I'm only gonna put 2 rivets in it, but whenever I did it right here, the inside sunk in so much, I didn't have any way of pushing it back. But check out my little backyard engineering, my friends. Yes, sir. I drilled some focus. I drilled some holes, put some rivets in halfway, stuck a piece of block in there in between, so now it pushes that out. And now that I got those there, those will stop this from sinking in, because it's going to sink into about right there. But without those rivets there, it's going to go dunk. It's going to be nice and flush. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
Yep. All right, everybody. Oh yeah, by the way, like I said, hey everybody, check it out. There's a tank. I ended up getting my first shot of silver on it. I already primered it. That's the flat gray. Flat gray. Booyah. And that's it, hit. I already went on ahead and hit this side as well. Check that out, my friends. I just shot it, so I don't want to touch it or nothing. Turned out pretty dope, huh? Check it out, my friends. Yes, sir. Also, I got this other one over here dangling. Yep. And as for the training wheel area, I'm just going to go on ahead and just keep it red. And then for the red, give me a second, my friends. As for the red, Rust-Oleum Apple Red. It's actually a gloss red. Let's check it out. Ooh, that thing is insane. Ooh wee. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. It's a bloody red, huh? Yep. Yep. Dope. All right, for sure, homies. Bam. Blast this with 2 coats of that apple gloss red. Came on. Oh, give me a second, everybody. Booyah. How's that, huh? Check this out, my friends. Yep. I'm going ahead and paint this red. I think I might just go ahead and leave that as is. I think that looks awesome. Went on ahead and did that to the other one as well. Paint came out nice. That's just a real good dent that's in there. I should have went on ahead and sand and putty it in and blasted it off, but that's alright. Same thing on that guy. Wheels are all primered out. Top, bottom, front, back, side to side. Did the whole white wall. So hopefully that thing came out straight. Because it looks like the tape's starting to peel back up. So hopefully it looks decent. We'll see whenever I pop it off. Now I got this guy here all prepped and ready. Bottom's all blasted out underneath. All primered out. Got 2 coats in there. This has got 2 coats of primer on it as well. It's pretty dry. Yep, that came out pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. Also, boom! Check that out. That is a little frame, huh? Look how little that thing is. It's got a little dents in it, or not dents, but holes that I didn't fill. But I didn't get too carried away with it, only because it's going to have this. It's going to have like 2 more coats of this silver sprayed on. Then it's going to get clear, like 2 coats of clear, that gloss clear. And it's going to fill those in. Then after that, I'm going ahead and spray that red on this here, at least 2 coats of that red. Then I'm going to spray at least 3 coats of that. I got the red flake that's going to go on here. And like 3 more coats of clear. So all these holes are going to get filled in. That's why I didn't get too picky with it. You guys see those? Other than that, it came out pretty nice, huh? Yep. I like it. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this just yet. Yep, that came out pretty awesome. I'm glad I didn't cut this. I didn't want to cut this. I like it just like that. All right, everybody. See you guys in the next clip. Faux show, my friends. All right, my friends. Yep. Blasted that down. Ooh, almost fell backwards. I didn't get underneath there entirely because that's all going to get covered. But I'll wait till all this here dries and I have a few coats, and then I'll spray underneath the bottom. I just don't want to pick it up and move it. There's the blood red wheels. Hopefully that tape sticks. Looks like some parts starting to peel. We'll see what it looks like in the AM. Today is Tuesday. Alright, for sure, my friends. Rust-Oleum. Use it on every single bike project I've been doing so far. I'm going ahead and show you guys the order that I do these in. After I get done with the Bondo and all the fun stuff, I start off with the flat gray primer. I lay about 2 coats of that. Going ahead and pretty much I just smash this whole can, not in one shot, but it'll be like 2, 3 layers. Then once that's about a good day of, I would guess say curing, drying. I don't even honestly know. I just like, good enough for me. Then I go on ahead and shoot this on there. I usually shoot 2 coats of this on there. Then after that's all nice and smooth, I'll go on ahead and shoot it with this apple red gloss. Then after that's all, about 2 coats of that. And then after that, I'll go on ahead and hit it with this guy right here. Same stuff, my friends. All the same brand, Rust-Oleum. Then after this one right here, I'll go on ahead and take this. That'll be my last one. Faux show. Let's check it out. Yep. I got about 2 sprays of this 2 sprays of this down now. I already laid down my red, the apple red. I laid down 2 shots of this. I didn't record myself doing it or shooting it. Turned out pretty nice. Got the awesome fan going on the low mode. Check it out, my friends. Booyah. How dope is that? That came out pretty nice, huh? Oh man, look at that. It's kind of gray in the front. I missed that area completely. It's okay. Well, it didn't work out as I planned. I seriously thought those were going to get filled in. They didn't. That was kind of a drag. And what was really worse than that was this right there. The paint just kind of dried and cracked up, which was pretty bunk. That's my fault. I ended up spraying it all down. Then after I sprayed it, instead of letting it kind of settle, get like a film on it, I turned the fan on, so it might just start pushing everything and start cracking it up. Man, that's a drag. That's okay. Check it out. Now I ended up shooting some clear on this. Got the wheels. And also, look at that. Got the rear fender done. Turned out pretty nice. Very satisfied with it. Nice. Cool. Next clip, I'll show you whenever I'm peeling the tape off. I didn't paint this one or do anything, any designs, any patterns. I want to leave that just as is because I don't want to take too much away from this dopeness. So, my next clip here in a split second for you guys, well, it'll be another day for me. I'll peel all this tape off and we'll shoot some clear on it. Full show, my homies. Alright, my friends, let's go on ahead and peel this off and check it out.
This looks awesome.
Check this out, my friends. Head start. Pretty sick so far. That's actually shot with clear.
Really?
That's got one coat of clear on it. That's why it looks way more on point than this does. There you go, my son. Work with my son, everybody. He's the cameraman. Be gentle. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, nice.
Sore babes.
Ew.
Oh, sick. Look at that. Oh, little bleeding through there.
Let's do this for next one.
Don't want to dig into it. Just kind of lightly grab it and pull it up. Sick. So how did everybody enjoy that video last week?
That one was awesome.
Yep. That little cruise.
Yep.
That was so dope. Getting that off right now. I'll go on ahead and peel this next. Oh, I can't get the tape off my hands. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to peel this all off on this side. Let you guys take a little peek at it. Then I'll go on ahead and have my cameraman here. He's getting paid by the hour right now. And he charges a lot. But not like my dad. Remember that video a while back? Where it was $100 an hour? Yeah, Kate don't charge that much. Maybe some gummy bears and we're good. Up top. One more. Come on, baby. Get in there. Check that out, my son. Look at that. How dope is that? That is freaking dope. That little thing's on point.
Look at that little thing.
Yep. The red has no clear on it, so that's why the difference is like you can see the
like,
difference in it.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, between how that one is. That's got one coat of clear on it. The whole silver base does, the silver flake, but the red doesn't have any clear in it. That's why it looks a little dull.
But it's gonna look a lot more better when it does.
I'll go on ahead and peel this other side off. That little white fade right there, I'm not even going to worry about that. Maybe I'll buy a little emblem to stick right there. So I don't want to go on ahead and I'll leave it. I'm not going to mess with it. Cool. See you guys in a split second.
Peace.
Oh yeah, my friends, what do you think of that?
Awesome.
Came out pretty nice, huh?
Yup. Here's the other side.
Let me check it out real quick, son. Get a far back shot of it. There, how dope is that? Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Yo, homie, Classic Clothing Review. What do you think about that, homie?
It's so tiny.
He's the one who's building, remember the little trike? He's gonna put a custom seat on it. He's gonna make us some custom forks. Pretty dope. All right, let's shoot this with some clear, shall we?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's be honest.
All right, my friends, that is the order right there. Now let's go on ahead and switch it up. Final product. Let's do it. As always, again, Rust-Oleum. Let's do it. Oh yeah, give it that nice wet look. This is what I'm waiting for, this right here. You guys ready for this? Sorry, hopefully I was recording that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Holy wowzers. That's my son. Sorry guys, I'm trying to actually paint the bike, so I'm not really focusing on my camera. So if I'm capturing it, dope. If I'm not, man, that sucks. Oh, shoot. Turn around. And I'll spin those wheels around to do the actual top side of it. But look at that. Holy crapola. Wow. Hit the little few dry spots. We'll call it good. This is coat number 1, my friends. As always, Rust-Oleum. That's what stage we're in right now. Wow. That is amazing.
I want to see it.
All right, so homies. Shall we take it off? Let's see the results. Yes, my friends, what a beautiful sunny day out here in Washington. And what else is beautiful than that sun? Well, bam! Check that out, my friends. Got the little red all hooked up. Look at those wheels. Turned out pretty decent. I'm actually really impressed with them. There's a few spots where the tape wasn't, I thought I had the whole thing sealed up. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with this tire. I don't know if I'm gonna tape off this red and then just go ahead and paint the outside black, or just leave it. I'll put it together and see what it looks like. I accidentally shot it with some clear. I just wanted to see what the clear would do to this tire, and it turned it white. Pretty weird, huh? But other than that, I'm pretty impressed with these the outcome of the tire. Yeah, check that out, my friends. These things are pretty well dried to the touch, and they have a little small faint smell on them, so I'm not taking them inside the house just yet. That's nice, huh? I see that flake. That's awesome. The red, I just got it just the apple red with 2 coats of clear on the bottom. That turned out pretty nice, huh? I know those wheels are a little beat up looking. It's okay. And also, these came in the mail. That's what I'm gonna put on there. So I haven't ripped those off. I haven't even tried to attempt to clean these handlebars off just yet. But look at that frame. That thing came out awesome looking. The whole crank system, I think, is so sick. Got the chain in there to match. Yep. All the little small. Like I said, there wasn't too many pieces to put this bike together. For the seat posts, for my chain, for the 2 front wheels, and this is to hook the training wheels up, and those are all my 4 nuts for the tires. And well, I wasn't gonna reuse these, but I went on ahead and reused them. I bought some twisted pedals for this. Actually, I was gonna swap it. I bought some other ones for my son's bike. I bought some for my bike. I was gonna put mine on my son's bike and put my little pedals that are on my son's blue bike onto this one. But instead of the 1/2 inch, they sent me out 9/16, so which is too big. So that was kind of a drag. All right, everyone. Well, next clip, I should have this all put together. Full show, my friends. And that is the finished product. Sorry the video was so long, my folks. Thanks for chilling with us. Faux show, respect, and always be 100. From your homies at Kevin and K LowRider Addictions. Stay safe and stay 100. Peace, my homies.